Hello and welcome to Tom's Music Shop. I am Tom, and today I want to show you how to change the grill cloth on your Hohner Corona 2 accordion. So come take a look. On this accordion here, you can see that the grill cloth has seen better days. See, it's just kind of hanging off there on the side. So right here, we want to change that. Here I got some new grill cloth from Hohner that I want to put on there. I would say, let's get started. You're going to need a screwdriver, some spray adhesive, some grill cloth, and a backdrop for when you're spraying your glue. You need to start by removing these screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. You are unscrewing these. Be careful not to poke into the grill cloth. We're taking this off, but when you put the new stuff on, you have to be very careful. So there you go. There is the grill, and we're going to take the cloth off the back. You can see too that it's a little dusty in there. We're going to clean that off right away. Now here I've got some extremely good household cleaner. This stuff is really excellent. It's called Accordion from ProWin. I don't know if you can get this in America, but I use it here all the time. Ooh-wee! It's starting to look nice. So, in order to get this grill cloth off, sometimes it has become so loose that you can just kind of peel it off like that. Do you see how you can just peel that off? Now be careful. Try not to rip it. The cleaner it comes off, it's the less work you have later. There it is, your old grill cloth. We'll toss that one away. Now if you have any strands left on there, this case I don't, but in the case that you have some strands on there, you can just kind of burn them off a little bit. That way you don't see them on the other side. I've already cut this one to size. Let's check that out. Pretty good. Okay, here comes the fun part, the gluing. I have this Tesa spray glue. I'm sure that you can find other types of spray glue wherever you're located. Make sure to get this up in the corners first. And there you have it. Nice new fresh grill cloth. Go ahead and put that puppy back on. Again, be very careful here when screwing. Make sure you don't poke into the grill cloth. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you next time at Tom's Music Shop. Goodbye.